Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Gather the physical tools before you begin so you save time. You need a USB cable, PC, and an OTG adapter with a USB mouse. Install the Android SDK platform tools on your computer for ADB commands. Confirm your phone runs Android 5.0 or later to ensure SCRCPY compatibility and full mirroring. Download and install the appropriate Windows drivers for your phone model. Keep a charged battery above 20% before continuing to avoid interruptions. Connect the phone to your PC using the USB cable and ADB tools. If the screen is unusable, use the OTG mouse to unlock and accept the USB debugging dialog. On your computer, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm connection. Then run SCRCPY to mirror the display and control the device from your PC. SCRCPY provides full control with minimal latency, allowing you to operate apps and transfer files easily. If mirroring is not possible, use MTP mode to access files directly on the PC. Remove the micro SD card and read it with a card reader for photos and documents. Use cloud backups if they were enabled previously to restore data quickly. For a locked or encrypted phone, try ADB backup commands after granting permissions with an OTG mouse. Consider professional repair or screen replacement when hardware access is required. Always factory reset only after you securely backed up and removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.